Hey, so today we're going to be looking at these rubber O-rings you can get off of Amazon or something like that. And they're supposed to dampen the clack of the key switch. These are Cherry MX key switches. So you're going to need a key puller, and of course, I got 150. They were about $3.50 for all of them. But yeah, you need some of those O-rings, and a key puller is highly advised. I use a screwdriver here for assistance on the long keys, but be careful doing that. You don't want to damage the key or anything. Lay them out so you can see them, right? And we're going to put them back on right after all of these rings are on. Clean your keyboard while you're at it, because you might as well. I mean, you're going to have the keys off. Here's a long switch again. These black tracks, take them out and put them back exactly how you found them, because it does matter the order. I just kind of set them on there, but I found it easier if you go ahead and put them back on the switch. You can try this method, but that's So that was how they sound with the O-rings off. Let's put a few keys on and see how they sound with the O-rings on. Well, there you have it. They sound a lot better. They're a lot quieter. I will note the travel distance is reduced. I guess 2 millimeters, however thick these O-rings are. This could be due to the fact that I didn't get them specifically for mechanical keyboards. These are just kind of an off-brand that happen to fit. The link for these is in the description. They're very cheap. They may take a while to ship though. If you want something that won't reduce travel distance quite as much, you can go for ones that are specifically made for Cherry MX switches. I kind of recommend this, but again, those are going to be about like $10, $15. I got mine for $3, and I got 150 of them, so for the money, I think it's great. Again, travel distance was reduced a little bit too much. However, sound is much better. Tactile click is still there. Also, I hope you enjoyed this clip from Planet Side 2. Somehow I did very well. I was just by myself here. Got like a ton of kills, which for me, this was a very good run. But thanks for watching the video if you made it this far. Feel to subscribe, like the video, share it, whatever. So yeah, I really appreciate a subscription, or if you have any ideas, comments below are always there. Thanks.